what is a Gold IRA? An IRA, by definition, is an individual retirement account. There are three types of IRAs. There's a traditional IRA, which is pre-tax, meaning it's a tax-deferred savings. A Roth IRA, post-tax, you've already paid your taxes on it. And then there is a SEP, a Simplified Employee Pension, which a lot of self-employed individuals use. What are you allowed to invest in with an IRA? Everyone knows that you can invest in stocks, bonds, annuities, CDs, and money markets. Everyone knows that because banks and financial industries put you in those products from day one. That is because that's what they sell and how they make money. What doesn't get talked about and what most people don't know is the huge selection of alternative assets you can invest in an IRA, and that includes gold and silver.
Looking to open a Gold IRA? Stop right now. Buyers beware. Gold IRAs are unregulated. Gold IRA companies are not all alike. Some use lies, gimmicks, and high-pressure tactics like the excessive free silver scheme to push you into starting a Gold IRA with them. And that's wrong. With one wrong decision, you could be facing large hidden charges that reduce the value of your funds for years. Let us help you avoid a costly mistake. You can easily learn how to avoid falling for those scams by getting our guides, 10 Gold IRA Dealer Lies, and 15 Bad Reasons to Buy Gold and Silver. If you are looking to do a Gold IRA, this is a must. Click here to get the guide and find out how to get a Gold IRA the right way.
So what is a Gold IRA? Simply put, it's an IRA where you can hold gold or silver or both. And that's where analysts are saying is the biggest opportunity to make profit and protect your retirement savings today. No matter what type of retirement account you have, find out how you can transfer or roll over your retirement savings into physical gold and silver.
Have you seen our inflation and retirement calculator yet? Get instant information on cash and inflation, asset growth and inflation, cost of living increases, and your retirement scenario. Just go to inflationcalculator.us to get instant information. You'll be glad you did.
How to roll over your 401k to a Gold IRA. The precious metals market has been on the rise for several years now, which means this would be the perfect time to roll over your 401k to a Gold IRA if you haven't already done so. This will allow you to take advantage of the soaring value of gold and silver while you still have time to watch your investments grow. Here's how to roll over your 401k to a Gold IRA, step by step. If you're leaving your job, you may be wondering what to do with your 401k. One option is to roll it over into an individual retirement account, IRA. This can be a good choice if you're young and have time to let your money grow. However, if you're closer to retirement, you may want to consider rolling over your 401k into a Gold IRA. Gold is a stable investment that can help protect your nest egg from inflation. Plus, Gold IRAs offer tax benefits that other types of IRAs don't. If you're not sure what to do with your 401k, talk to a financial advisor. They can help you decide if rolling it over into a Gold IRA is the right choice for you. There are some things you should know about rolling over your 401k into an IRA. One is that you can roll over only what you've contributed from your paycheck, not any money that has grown through investment gains. In addition, you'll want to check your new provider's policies for what happens if you need access to funds before retirement. Finally, note that rolling over your money won't change when you have to start taking required minimum distributions, RMDs. You'll still need to take RMDs after age 70 and a half, but they can be taken as cash instead of being reinvested in another account like with a traditional IRA. Why invest in precious metals? There are several reasons why people choose to roll over their 401k into precious metals. One reason is that they believe that the price of gold will continue to rise. Another reason is that they think that the US dollar is going to lose its status as the world's reserve currency. Still, another reason is that they think the Federal Reserve will keep raising interest rates. Another reason people invest in precious metals is that they think gold will outperform stocks. According to a recent analysis of S&P 500 returns, gold has outperformed stocks more often than not over time. From 1950 through 2016, there were 12 years when stocks beat gold and 8 years when silver did better than stocks. Only platinum outpaced stocks during that period, not counting dividends on either asset class, which aren't relevant in retirement accounts. The pros and cons of rolling over a 401k to gold. If you're thinking about rolling over your 401k into gold, there are pros and cons to consider. On one hand, gold has been an excellent investment historically. It's also considered a safe haven asset, meaning that investors tend to flock to it when other assets are declining in value. However, gold prices fluctuate quite frequently, so it's not necessarily a good idea to invest in gold simply because it's rising in value. In terms of gold's value as an investment, there are many factors at play. At its core, gold is valued for its rarity, which is what gives it worth in trade. However, there are several other factors that affect gold prices. Some types of gold have unique properties that make them more valuable than others, and some types of physical gold, such as American Eagle coins, have collectible value over and above their base metal content. Making the decision. Many people choose to roll over their 401k to a gold IRA because they believe it will be a more stable investment. However, there are some things you should keep in mind before making this decision. First, you will need to find a reputable company that offers gold IRAs. Second, you will need to make sure that your current 401k is eligible for rollover. Third, you will need to calculate how much money you will need to invest in order to get the desired amount of gold. Fourth, you will need to decide whether you want a traditional IRA or Roth IRA. Fifth, you will need to open a new account with the chosen company and fund it. Sixth, you will need to transfer your assets from your old account to your new account. A gold IRA is essentially an individual retirement account that invests in physical gold. The advantage of doing so is that it offers greater stability and protection against inflation than traditional assets such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Many financial experts believe that tangible assets will fare better over time than intangible ones. However, it is important to remember that investing in gold comes with some risks, including high volatility and liquidity issues. Self-directed IRAs, the best option for you. A self-directed individual retirement account, IRA, is an excellent way to invest in gold. You can roll over your existing 401k into a self-directed IRA, which gives you more control over your investment choices. With a self-directed IRA, you can choose to invest in physical gold, gold ETFs, or gold mining stocks. Gold is a great way to diversify your retirement portfolio and protect your wealth from inflation. According to some, gold is actually more effective at reducing volatility than other, more traditional options. In fact, many investors believe that in turbulent economic times, like 2008, gold provides stability for retirement funds and generates positive returns when other investment types perform poorly. And, if you're looking for downside protection in your retirement portfolio, which is an excellent idea, then investing in gold might be a good choice. However, investing in physical gold requires significant capital and some expertise to handle properly. If you aren't set up for that type of investment or don't want all your retirement money tied up in just one option like physical gold, such as taking custody of it yourself, then you might want to invest in ETFs or mining stocks instead. Is a gold IRA right for me? A gold IRA can be a great way to diversify your retirement portfolio and protect your savings from inflation. But is it right for you? Here are 7 things to consider before making the switch. 1. How much gold do you want to hold in your portfolio? 2. What is your investment goals? 3. What is your risk tolerance? 4. What are the fees associated with a gold IRA? 5. How will you diversify your gold holdings? 6. What is the process for rolling over your 401k to a gold IRA? 7. What are the tax implications of a gold IRA? You'll also want to consider other types of gold retirement accounts, including SEP IRAs and Roth IRAs. A SEP IRA allows you to make annual contributions of up to 25% of your income or $55,000, whichever is less, if you earn an annual salary. Because these plans have fewer restrictions than a traditional 401k or traditional IRA, you may be able to save more money overall. Roth IRAs are funded with after-tax dollars so that when withdrawals are made during retirement, no income taxes will be due on any gains. In order for them not to incur taxes, withdrawals must be taken after age 59 and a half and can only include amounts that were contributed from taxable earnings. Choosing the best Gold IRA companies. A Gold Individual Retirement Account, IRA, can be a great way to invest in gold and secure your financial future. But with so many companies out there, how do you choose the best one? Here are 7 things to look for when choosing a Gold IRA company. 1. They should have a good reputation and be well established. 2. They should offer a wide range of products and services. 3. They should have low fees and commissions. 4. They should provide good customer service. 5. They should have a simple and easy process for opening an account. 6. They should offer storage options in multiple locations. 7. They should be insured against theft and loss. This list isn't exhaustive, but it's a good starting point for anyone looking to set up an individual retirement account. If you can find a company that provides all these things, you can be sure you'll have made an informed decision. Other considerations when rolling over your 401k to gold. If you're like most people, you probably have a 401k through your employer. But what happens when you leave that job? You have the option of cashing out, but that's not always the best idea. Instead, you can roll over your 401k into an individual retirement account, IRA. And if you're looking for even more security for your retirement, you might want to consider rolling over your 401k into a Gold IRA. You'll want to review your options thoroughly before deciding how to move forward with rolling over your 401k. Consider your financial needs, time frame and current holdings before making any decisions. It's worth talking with an independent financial advisor who can help you weigh all of your options. There may be certain tax benefits or other advantages for one option over another, so there are many reasons why it's smart to consult an expert before choosing what is best for you.
Have you seen our inflation and retirement calculator yet? Get instant information on cash and inflation, asset growth and inflation, cost of living increases, and your retirement scenario. Just go to inflationcalculator.us to get instant information. You'll be glad you did. Thanks so much for watching. Visit our website at goldira-rollover.com to read more about gold investing, retirement, and much more. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.
How much money will you need for retirement? Do you think you have enough? With everything that's going on in the economy, how do you keep your retirement dollars from losing value? I'm Devlin Steele, Director of Education at Augusta Precious Metals, and these are the questions that people are asking. Research shows that most people have not saved enough for retirement. If you're thinking about adding gold and silver, my guess is you're not one of those people. You have saved for retirement, and now you don't want to lose it. Retirement planning has become complicated. You're probably searching for ideas to fortify your retirement. The first complication is Social Security. Most people know that due to the changes in Social Security benefits and the rise in cost of living expenses, that Social Security is not going to support most of us through our retirement. Most question if Social Security is even going to continue due to its extreme underfunding.
Have you seen our inflation and retirement calculator yet? Get instant information on cash and inflation, asset growth and inflation, cost of living increases, and your retirement scenario. Just go to inflationcalculator.us to get instant information. You'll be glad you did.
This is the first complication that could lead us to a national retirement crisis for anyone who is solely dependent on Social Security. Our savings being so critical leads us to the second complication, the performance of the financial markets. You are probably like most retirement savers and have the majority of your retirement in equity-based investments. Now, you've also probably done pretty well over the last decade, especially since 2008, the financial crisis. But what experts are telling us now is that we can't depend on that type of performance going forward. Schwab says economists project GDP will only be 2.3% over the next decade. This affects equities and the value of any market-based retirement investments. Schwab also says many equities are overvalued right now. Many experts are saying the exact same thing, that the market is overvalued. You can see from these two major complications, Social Security benefits simply not cutting it, and reduced projected growth in equities, that it's time for retirement savers to take a serious look at their portfolios. For some, a precious metals IRA might be the solution. Precious metals give a different type of growth than traditional assets. That might be the reason why so many institutional managers are looking at adding gold to their portfolios. Since 2001, gold has gone up about 560%, and silver about 430%. Back to where we started. How much money will you need for retirement? This might be the perfect time for you to examine what your retirement investments are in. Look into it and make sure that you are doing everything you can for your own peace of mind. Myself and the education team at Augusta Precious Metals will gladly go through the economy, what might be affecting your retirement, and how gold and silver might be the perfect fit. For more information about what's happening in the economy and how gold and silver play a role, go to Augusta Precious Metals website and sign up for our free guide.
Looking to open a Gold IRA? Stop right now. Buyers beware. Gold IRAs are unregulated. Gold IRA companies are not all alike. Some use lies, gimmicks, and high-pressure tactics like the excessive free silver scheme to push you into starting a Gold IRA with them. And that's wrong. With one wrong decision, you could be facing large hidden charges that reduce the value of your funds for years. Let us help you avoid a costly mistake. You can easily learn how to avoid falling for those scams by getting our guides, 10 Gold IRA dealer lies, and 15 bad reasons to buy gold and silver. If you are looking to do a Gold IRA, this is a must. Click here to get the guide and find out how to get a Gold IRA the right way.
I'm sure after watching this presentation, you can see why Augusta Precious Metals is a top company for a gold or silver IRA. They really care about their customers and make sure they are well taken care of. The next step is getting in touch with the friendly, helpful staff for a free IRA guide and a zero sales pressure informational webinar with Augusta's education team, who will explain to you all the details and answer all of your questions. Request information online by clicking the link below the video or visit easygoldinvestments.com. Thanks again for your time today. I'm Anne from GiveMeTheGold.com, wishing you the best of luck on your financial journey. Take care.